Who needs a prenup? Prenups used to be only for rich old men who decided to marry much younger women of modest means later in life. But that's not really the case anymore. Prenups are for anybody who wants to architect their finances during the time of their marriage in preparation for death, potentially, or unfortunately, if the marriage ends in divorce. So a prenuptial agreement is really for anybody who thinks that they could do a better job with respect to their finances than the courts and the legislature. If you want to think about prenuptial agreements as car insurance, that's not a bad idea. Every year you pay several $1,000s in car insurance. You hope you never have to use it, but if you do, you know exactly what you're getting. A prenuptial agreement is kind of similar to that. You hope that your marriage doesn't end in divorce, but if it does, you'll know exactly what you're getting. So who would this apply to? If you have children of a prior marriage, you probably want a prenuptial agreement to make sure that in the event of divorce or death, it's really understood exactly what portion of your estate is going to them. Otherwise, you could be caught up in legal battles for a long time, even if everybody's trying to play nice, just trying to figure out what the percentages are. It's also for anybody who doesn't want to get caught up in any legal battles whatsoever. So if you don't want to go to court and spend hundreds of thousands of dollars trying to figure out what's mine, what's yours, and what's ours, then you want a prenuptial agreement. If you're coming into the marriage with either separate property, and that could include assets or debts, and you want to be really clear with each other about what's ours, and oftentimes it is debt. Somebody might be coming into the relationship with debt, and they want to be really clear about what the creditors can come after and what they can't. So if you have assets that you want to protect or debts that you want to protect your family from, if you have a family from a previous marriage, or if you just want to architect your own finances, a prenuptial agreement defines what is yours, what is theirs, and what is ours during the time of your marriage, and it helps you in time of death or divorce avoid unnecessary legal fees. I'm Kevin Chroman. I'm a family law mediator and a collaborative divorce specialist, and I'm located in the greater Los Angeles area.